Hi my peeps, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. Alright, as you guys come in, I want you to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. This is another epic video. Alright, so in this one, we were forced to make some changes to our original Airbnb, right? Because of the construction to the back, we had to reposition some windows and stuff like that. So in this video, we're gonna show you about that. We also install a fancy canopy range hood that you will also be seeing. You know, most of this is like DIY, but of course the mason work and the plaster work, you know, we get the experts for that, you know. As you guys can see here, we made this hole right here to accommodate the window. Alright, and this is the rear room. So it was originally there. We block out that window and we replacing it right here, you know. So yeah man, so this is part of the job what we have to do. Alright,
this is what the place is looking like. Everything basically under wraps. So before we're doing everything, we are going to just up and come and cover up all them stuff here. I don't know if you can see the amount of dust. Yes, let me see.
If you look on this, you notice. Yeah. You can write the name. I spell my name through now. I'm bad saying me. Alright.
So we cover up all of it. This is the fridge and the stools there and stuff.
Turn it very bad into the what?
Up them there too.
What? I turn it into the
microwave.
No. Hold on. Remember, I nails up on the wall. Yeah, but everything else up my key. You better turn apart the what will it be?
I will move out the room here. Empty out. Empty out the room. Okay, come on. Yeah, but
turn it. I'm smell it just. Smell it just?
So basically packed up everything in this room.
Alright my peeps, so this is the following morning after the mason them complete the cast out, the opening them and you know smooth them off. Right, so we get a plaster guy for coming in. You might go plaster the wall and make it nice, you know. But yeah, so this is what the place is looking like. You can say the place dirty. We have a work cut out up to our neck, you know. But we have to do it because we got guests coming soon, you know. Yeah, that's our life. So yeah, the plaster guy might dig off and make the wall can accept the plaster, you know. Yeah man, can accept the plaster. See the room here, this is the back room window, same situation. You might have a plaster here so as well. Alright, so yeah, so the window will be placed there. The window space already rendered and everything and ready for accept the paint. Alright. Originally prepare up the wall, you know. See that? And my window size 30. You know? The wall plaster.
Guys, please don't. I told Adrian to wear a mask, but he refused, okay? So, look at him. Manning it out, right?
I'm good, man.
Oh, Jamaican man thing that, right?
I'm good.
Right.
So I'm gonna get out the excess powder and I just sand this thing down. I just sand down the wall. So I'm just get out the excess powder, then I'm wipe it with a wet rag. Before painting, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is room number 1 and he's sanding it down. Room number 2. So I actually wanted him to try his best. I want us to actually try to paint here tonight. I've been pushing him all day, by the way. I think that painting tonight would be ideal, so you give the room time to blow off and stuff like that. So let's see. You know, it's finally dry now, and we can rub it and we can paint it. So.
Alrighty, so what one is this side of the flash, right, with cement. So I don't really want to paint. I don't really want to paint the whole of the wall because I don't have a lot of this exact matching color. So I clean it off as best as I can. So when I don't have to paint, I don't paint, right? Yeah. So I wipe off the cement splash. Meantime, I can sweep up the place. Is it? And of course too, we have to wipe off the powder, the powder plaster. After we sand, you have to wipe off the powder plaster if the paint now will stick properly on the surface.
Major reconstruction of this bedroom. So we have this window white that Adrian cleaning off. This basically was a double out of the wall and taken and this part the patch.
Painting time. Right, I only have like 2/4 this now. So, I don't know, I see how much we can get cover with it. Yeah, as I said, only 2/4 we have. 2/4, so.
You better learn how to make paint stretch.
Yeah, that's what we want is.
Right.
There we go.
Wait, don't we need to cover that plug?
Which plug?
See the plug where they right up there and. Oh, what kind of paint? Is water paint?
Yeah.
Just for those your little sheet right here, so. Hard work.
Actually, you don't have already.
Be careful.
Cast time. Yeah. I remove this here. Alright, let's show. Look at you. What's up? What's up? What's up? Alright.
Okay. This is what he does all day, every day. He must
Hello.
run throughout the house, everywhere. So today's a special day because we're doing like a celebration of Jayden. We have 2 bright sparks in the people.
Yes.
We have 2 bright sparks. Count for us, Kyrie. Count. 1. 1.
3, you only got 3.
Yes.
If that's the one enough, you say other number.
You said 1 this morning.
Yes, guys. So Jayden get literally excellent on his grade 3 report.
Yeah.
You get me? I say yeah. Right.
So Kyrie, you celebrating?
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Yeah, man. So, guys, Jayden literally get up, excellent on his report. You get me? I say, yeah, man.
It's been a year, guys. So as parents, you have to just be always on them, explaining to them the importance of the work.
Right.
So
Excellent.
this is the result of it.
Yeah. Jayden's been doing so good. I mean, when Jayden does his test and him down, if him get 1 wrong, the teacher complain because she know what he's capable of. You know?
Yeah,
So
big up all those teachers,
Yeah,
the
man.
real teacher them that invest. Like I was saying to Adrian, even his past teacher was
Miss
there
Clark.
because she was like, "More for see
Yeah, man.
what you did."
Yeah, man.
You know,
Yeah.
so when the teachers invest, I think it really shows. Are we proud of you, babe? We are proud of you.
Yep. Yeah, man. So big up Miss Clark and Miss Delmonte. Really appreciate his teachers, Run gone. Come. Yeah, man. So we have a little mini celebration for Jayden. You get me? I said, but before that, let us have a surprise for Jayden.
I have a surprise for you.
Come. We got a surprise for you. Yeah.
Harry, no for celebrate surprise,
You can have this. You can have this. One is.
Yes. So we even started. Carrie is helping Jayden to cheat. So celebration start already. So unfortunate. So we start loading up for Jayden with all of his sweet treats that he likes. Listen, Carrie live to celebrate, Him live to celebrate. So.
Yep. All right. This is what Jay's getting, right? He be wanting a new one for a while.
Yes.
You get me? I say so.
I drove. You said I drove.
All right, here we go. All right, Jay. 1, 2.
Wait, you get that one here, go.
All right, come, Jayden. All right, come.
After 2, 1.
2, come.
Wow!
Yes. You got your tablet, Jayden. You've been wanting all this time, right?
Yes. Guys, it's about three weeks now. My tablet battery stopped working.
You mean 3 months?
3 weeks.
No.
Couple months ago, I'm good.
No, man. When it's finally stopped? 3 weeks now?
May,
Yes.
June, April, or
Probably. Yeah.
Yes, so guys, Jayden is a tablet, YouTube.
Yeah.
Him just there in the
Say that, pull it, Jay. Pull it.
So you need to be watching YouTube or he's watching Netflix, and that's what he does mostly, alright? So him not having a tablet has really affected his quality of life.
Hold on, let me get my police. Okay, you got it.
You got it?
Okay.
Him not showing up.
Yes.
Oh my God! I thought it was a prank.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
You really thought it would have been a prank?
Yes.
Guys, Jayden low-key likes to prank people, but he really can't take prank, It's easy to prank, but he can't prank people, but he can't take it. but this is not attractive.
Thank
So,
you.
your granddad wanted you to have back another iPad. Say thank you. Say thank you, grandfather.
Thank you, grandfather.
Everybody was celebrating. What a boy can celebrate.
Alright, come.
So, we are proud to report that we have 2 bright children. We are very proud of them.
Definitely.
I think
So,
that,
so I'm just gonna insert a little clip right here, guys, of the other day.
Ow!
The other day when we come from work. Cass wasn't around, but yeah. So check it out, guys. Hey, my peeps. Literally just reaching from work, you know. Come see this little boy here. Yeah, say hi. Come count for Dada. Come. Step back here so come count. Say
one.
Say 1. Yes. 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 Count on your finger. Yes. Yes. Come again. Come on. You're too bright. You're too bright. Come again. Yes. 3.
3. Yeah, we're going to get a kiss for Kyrie.
Where's a Kyrie? Cause
Yeah, we're gonna get a case for him today. So we're gonna go out soon and get a case for him for his tablet. Right?
And you know what else happened too? So Kyrie, your granddad also got you a present. You know, Kyrie, your granddad also got you a present. Yes. Listen,
careful.
when Jayden I use him iPad, guess who always there for him? Jayden? I was saying on Jayden, oopsie.
Where's the Jay?
I know something was up, you know, guys, cause from this morning, Cassandra putting on pretty close. So I think say like we're going somewhere or you already buy something. Cause this is the only time you act like this.
Okay, well, he knows, guys. He knows that we're up to something. All right, Kyrie, look. Hi, Kyrie.
Kyrie.
Kyrie, look. Look. Look, Kyrie. Look, Kyrie. Look, Kyrie. Look, here. Here. That's yours. Yay. As long as you celebrate him good enough.
Yes.
Yes, you like it?
Flick
It's
it
yours.
out back. You might try to flick out back that thing there.
Here
Yes.
you go.
Yes. Good. Flip it over now, make it stand up. Show him it stand up now.
So you
Good.
go like this, and
Yes.
you put it to stand like that.
You soon get your hang, man.
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna set this up.
Yes.
Get started.
Listen, guys.
Yes, Kyrie, you're going into your gift, right? Alright, so guys, we'll big up our special subscriber, Opal, and husband, right?
Yeah.
They brought gifts for Jayden and for Kyrie. You get me?
Yes, guys. So while Kyrie's thingy is updating, Kyrie's unraveling the gift that we got. So thank you very much, Opal. We really appreciate it.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
oh, Jesus, you're a feet.
So I think this one is for Kyrie,
Yes.
and this is for Jayden. Hold up your
Yes.
shirt, let me see. Step back right here. Yes,
This is
yes.
for Kyrie.
Current mood, wow. You look on the shirt, you look on it?
Yes, I look at it.
It's
Now
cool.
this is true because now that he actually has his iPad, he's back to gaming.
Kyrie, I put on him shirt, you know.
Yes, I know that he's
Kyrie, I
doing
put
a
on him
holiday.
shirt.
So he's trying,
Yes.
and when I'm putting on his clothes, he's pushing up his hand and he's pushing up his foot. Like that's a good help because
Guys,
Kyrie and I put on clothes.
I think on Thursday, Kyrie put the shirt over him back. The door was open and him go outside. Because I think it's when daddy put on him clothes and gone to work. Maybe it's you him following.
Yeah, maybe.
I think it's probably the tablet him see now. Yes, so definitely I can size. Wait. He's gone. And he's
Yeah.
gone.
So anyway, guys, so Them gonna finish setting up them tablets and then we're gonna go out on the road to get a case for Jayden's.
Yeah.
You know, we'll get a case for Jayden's.
I'm happy that we actually got a case for Kai. This have a screen protector?
No. Yeah, look so. Yeah, man. One day on there. Nobody dig you up
Yes, there is one. I'm not digging.
it looks so.
But there is one there because you know how them pick me stay. My shop, I'm going to jump up on this. Literally, I go stand up and I make like this and then do all kind of stuff with it.
You know. Yeah, this is the room. But then we tell them about the purple, so we buy purple paint and grey. You know? So, yeah. This is the secondary room. We move the window from here, we put it over here, so. Alright? Because around here, so, is the bedroom for the new construction. So we have to block out this. You get me? I say, so this is where we are. You know? Where we are. The paint work now 100% complete because I run out of the grey. Look up there, so. But I'll get it in and complete. So how we look so far, let us know. Alright? Like so?
Yeah,
Like
alright.
this?
Yeah, I'm liking that.
Like this.
I'm liking that. You know, it could be like the two of them could be like hanging, kind of like they're falling off the wall, kind of thing, like what happened a while ago. That would be cool if you could do that, but I'm not gonna stress you. Like, you see, when they dropped a while ago, it wasn't balanced. It was like
turn to the side, so.
Yeah, like that's kind of cool. But anyways, I'm not gonna. Yeah, so that's why I'm not gonna mess with you right now. All right, just put it up. Guys, sometimes I really put Adrian to task, you know?
Yeah, man, she stressed me out.
Stress
me out.
So sometimes I really put him to task with doing some of these things that come to mind. But he's always so, you know? Are you willing though, babe? Are you always willing?
Tell me, I don't know.
Sometimes he's willing.
What do you think?
Sometimes he's willing, but he always does it anyway. So, I appreciate that.
So where? Is it know? Look purple on your son, green everywhere else, you know?
Yeah, like the spruce up work, let us know.
Yeah.
Spruce up work, you know, close in, alright?
Yeah, man.
So we got the grey.
So we have outside now.
Purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, this took a really long time to do. Like, it took a really long time to do. It seems simple, but it took a while.
And we just put in the top then, you know? Is it me? So here we go. Right. Wadam! Eat that. Sweet.
Yeah.
Proper man.
Yeah.
He look good.
It adds something to that space. So we're gonna, you know?
I'm scratch right here, so. Because this thing is sharp, you know.
Yeah.
This is very sharp. So I'm just right as a tear. So I'm gonna rub some paint on that right now. Yeah, but it looks good.
So we decided to leave this wall
for now
and put it right here.
Yeah.
So just make do with what we have.
So got a guest coming soon, so we're ready. You know?
Yeah, we're trying to, you know? So how do we do like with a short space of time? We don't do too bad, right?
Yeah.
We don't do too bad. As you can see, it kind of matches up with what's going on over here.
We just switch on the light in the room.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, so this is it.
Yeah, like, you know? We've got so much planned for this space right here.
Yeah.
That in a few months' time, you're gonna look back on it. We're gonna show you back this video. And you're gonna be like, wow, transformation.
Cause guess what though? You know, say we never did get no wall lamp for the kitchen. Right? We got for the living. Right, but we never get none for the kitchen. But at the time, because the curtain was down there, it never was a big sore thumb.
Yeah.
But now, when we delete the window, we need to put a wall lamp down there. So that's the next thing we need to do too. Put a wall lamp up there.
So this place is due. This place is due as spruce up.
Yeah.
They're gonna be sprucing up this place and making it super nice. Guys, Mr. Delprat is on a roll, and he is about to install our range hood.
Yeah.
So we bought a quick update, like a quick update, alright? The painting that you will see accompanying the front part of this video has fallen.
Yeah.
Damaged.
It dropped down, so that.
Dry rotten.
Yeah, that gone.
Dry rotten and dropped down. And when I attempted to return it to the store, I was rudely dismissed by Mr. Chin and told that me not get my money back.
Yes,
No refund.
This is unscrewing on this?
No, you told me some though. You told me some. Rudely dismissed by Mr. Chin and all these things, alright? More of that later. But yeah, dry rotten and drop down. So Mr. Delprat is now gonna install our range hood. Alright? So this is it on the floor. And
this is the back of it. It's a canopy. What they call it? A canopy style.
yeah, they're seats, right? Yeah, something like that. And then Jayden is here. And Jayden's job is to help Daddy and help with Kyrie as well. And be entertained. So we have our two helpers here to help us set up our range, alright? Okay, you like playing with that? Kyrie? Hi, Mr. Busybody. Mr. Busybody, sir. Hi. Hey. You like playing with this guy? Where are we? What's up? What's up?
Yeah,
what's happening?
Yeah, man. See that? So we just have a clean up, make it neat, and we are set, you know?
Mr. Delprat has done it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's proper.
Alright, so now it's time to clean it.
Yeah. Oh, you look, guys, you don't know. I put back this. I'm not going to see the final thing, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, we spend about, how long will you on this thing?
2 hours, 2.5 hours.
But no, at 7:45 now, what time we start?
I don't know.
But after 6.
Yeah, okay.
So like an hour or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the kids get tired of it. See, they're gone. See them?
Them gone.
They're gone. Paper shoes are them, you know. They're not elbow. We're cutting.
Yeah.
They're like, we're cutting. We're gonna snuggle up with some nursery rhymes, alright? We are cut.
Yeah.
So we have some major cleaning up to do, so we're gonna catch you back in 5. Okay, guys?
Yeah. See them, my peeps? You know what the range up? I should say range hood.
Yeah.
Can up the range hood up. Alright. Yeah, man. So mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Just in time for our next guest. Alright, so from the time when the painting
I know
is
canopy.
complete, I canopy type that they call it.
Oh, canopy type, okay.
Yeah, from the painting it's like a good look a while since, but
Yeah.
this is like an update to that. So we just add this in another vlog there, you know?
Yeah, so it's been a while.
Yeah.
A lot has changed since
Yeah,
then.
man. So we are set, guys.
Oh, well, look, guys. Remember to subscribe to the Delprat family if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. Put the setting on all.
Yes.
The one with the dancing icon beside. That's my gas. Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Remember to give us a thumbs up on this video.
Yeah, man. Work is done.
Yes.
Peace out, guys. Out.
Peace.